tune the 2026 Dodge Charger Drag Pack? I don't think so. Let's talk about it. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and I am excited to bring you this one. I have been on the edge of my seat ready to talk about this because at one point I didn't know what I could talk about. I didn't even know what I actually knew. I just had speculations. I thought I knew something, and it turns out to be even bigger than what I thought. And the guy I'm gonna talk about, well-deserved, gonna definitely give you your flowers, definitely the shop, well-deserved. But we're gonna be talking about the 2026 Dodge Drag Pack. Yes, they released it a while ago. If you haven't seen it, it's one of the craziest cars that you can buy for the money for the drag strip. Yes, it is only a drag strip car, not a street legal car, but it runs low 7 quarter miles from the factory. And let me just say, my shop, specifically the owner and tuner of my shop, helped build, tune, and orchestrate the best drag pack Dodge has ever made. And let me tell you why. So this all started when I was home, and every time I was home, I go to the shop. I try to annoy G and everybody else over there. I know they get tired of me. They actually house my car there while I'm overseas. Again, big thank you for that. But I kept going over there, and every time John was either in Michigan, right, Detroit, helping with another big project, and I was like, well, that's not like John. John is a put his head down, get the work done kind of person. Mass Acceleration is a busy shop. They put out some of the best Hemis, period, and GMs. They're dealing with my GM. And I just started to have some speculation, like, what is he doing? Like, I know he's one of the best tuners for the Hemi, but what's out there that Dodge could be doing that they have him involved in? And I kind of just forgot about it, came back to work, and next thing you know, the video dropped that you're about to see right now. Video, I felt like a kid in a candy store. And for me, knowing that this 2026 Dodge Drag Pack was actually a dream of mine at one point, especially in the old body style Challenger, being that it's a 50 unit only, or only 50 drag cars available. It comes with a 354 cubic inch, or a 5.8 liter supercharged V8 with a 3.0 liter Whipple. It has a carbon fiber body, 15-inch wheels already, a certified cage, a low 7-second quarter mile time, just with a price tag of about $250,000. So I want you to think of, if this is priced at $250,000, how much money, time, effort, knowledge, and skill goes into building one of these. And I went home about 2 weeks ago to get some stuff done to the car, dropped my car off, and I ended up running into John and asking him a few questions, and I was actually kind of blown away with how it actually happened. And I'm going to interview John in a later video with Mass Acceleration to let him tell his story. I don't want to tell it for him, but I'll tell you a few things. John, the owner of Mass Acceleration, has been doing vehicles since he was 18. I'm not going to tell you how old he is, but he's been doing it a while. And he has perfected his craft of tuning Hemis to the point other shops have stolen his tune and tried to make it theirs. I mean, all you can think of. He has the best daily driven Hemi tune you can buy and still go to the track with that same tune and drive all the way home. I promise you that there is not another tuner that does that better than John. And we started talking about it, and I found out that a lot of the drag packs, even some that customers had brought Mass Acceleration, always had problems to where they were dumping in another $50,000 to $100,000 into them before they were drag ready. You're already paying $200,000 to $300,000 for the car, so now it's a $500,000 car to run sevens from factory, it should be ready to go at this price. That's what they're advertising it. And long story short, John's name came up, and now he will be tuning all 50 drag packs. You saw the time that it ran, a low 7-second quarter mile with a 3.0 liter Whipple with a 5.8 liter billet aluminum block. I want you to think about how crazy that is. One, this is my shop. It's tuned by my tuner. This is really a video for me to tell you guys about what the drag pack consists of. And then of course, Mass Acceleration is the place to go for your Hemi products. Anything Hemi related. And now LT, LS, and GM as well. They've always done Corvettes and etc. But they're a mainly Mopar shop. And I've been with them for, at this point, 6 years now. And this right here just goes to show hard work pays off, and reputable shops always stay and end up in a good place. I know there's plenty of shops out there that do great work. Chris Bailey at Bailey's Performance, RSP, DMV, I know they make some really aggressive builds. Full-blown Performance out there in California. There's plenty of shops. But I'm telling you, this right here, they now are tuning all 50 drag packs. There's an NDA out, and I don't even know what else I can talk about. John probably has stuff he still can't talk about, but it will be debuted on March 2026, months from now, at the Gator Nationals NHRA event. I can't wait. You guys are gonna be seeing one of the fastest factory-produced drag cars ever built. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Leave a comment that says MXA in the bottom, please. That's it.